In this video, we'll do a quick unboxing of the Garmin Forerunner 55, which is pretty much the latest entry model running watch you can get from Garmin. It seems to have a few more features than the 200 series. So let's start with that. Got a quick start manual. Of course, we'll do some videos here, so you don't need to read that. All right, so we got their pin connector, which is similar to quite a few models in the last few years. Another piece of documentation. And we got the watch. All right. There it is. Charger underneath. Hopefully they changed the metal. There was one watch there that they had, some people had difficulty with creating a rash. I think they may have changed the metal there. We got the heart rate monitor, serial number, very basic. Got your 3 buttons here, 2 buttons there. So that's pretty cool. So let's see if we can get powered up. So power button, probably up and down, start, stop, lap, pause. It's hard to see the labels here with the black. Go through our standard setup wizard. So we'll choose English, pair with phone. We've covered plenty of videos how to pair with a smartphone. This will probably be the same process. I'm gonna opt for no in this case. All right, so tell you you can go into settings to pair the phone. So we get our units. So we'll choose metric. Time format, I prefer 24 hours. Gender, male. Set your age. And set your weight. Height. Use the time, so you can use your GPS to set the time. So every time that you start an activity, you'll synchronize the time that way, or you can manually set it, or of course you can skip it. So we're going to use GPS. Now, when you do this, it will actually activate the GPS signal, and it will try to acquire satellites and set the time that way. Now, since that we're inside, it might take a few seconds, but whoa, that was fast. That was quick. Out of the box, that's pretty quick. So we have our current time. So now, what else we got here? We can press on the start. See how our run. This looks very familiar to 200 series. Go for a 10-minute run outdoor with HR. Can I swipe? Nope. Getting workout suggestions. So this is part of the new feature, workout suggestions. Oh, there you go, look at that. We can go up for the options. So we've got run, setting, training, live track. Go back, probably at this one here. And if I go back again, and if I go down, I see treadmill. Whoa, hold for activity, settings, training, and more. This reminds me a lot of the Instinct. Let's do that. Track run, bike, walk, cardio, store demo. We can add some activities. There you go. So let's press and hold here. Watch face. So we got a couple different designs. Go back. Press on menu again. We also got alarm clock, history, settings, apps, and activities. You can download the Connect IQ once you pair with your smartphone. You have your wrist heart rate monitor. You can also have, of course, has the Bluetooth and the ant sensors, so you can pair up with a heart rate strap or other accessories. Pair your phone, user profile, safety. Let's take a look at the system, language, time. If this is not your first Garmin, this will look very similar. You won't get lost on this one. There's a few new features here depending on where you've been getting it. Software update. Of course, when you're paired with your phone, updates should be transferred automatically, which is nice. So other than that, you have a bunch of new features. You got your Garmin Coach, daily suggested workouts, Pace Pro, finish time, track run, cadence runs, recovery advisor, race predictor. Battery life is about 2 weeks or 20 hours in mode, so that's perfect for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks based on your run. You got some apps that you see here for running, biking, and all that. You get your fitness tracking, your stress tracking, let's see, intensity minutes. Let's see, we also have the Connect IQ store that you can download some watch faces and some apps. You can control your music if you're paired with your smartphone. And of course, you sync with Garmin Connect once you're paired with your smartphone. And you also get your smart notifications. So that's pretty standard. Seems to be a few more options here. We're going to start doing a series of videos to dig into all of these features, and make sure you check out the playlist in the coming weeks or months, and we'll be able to flesh this out. And there you go. And we'll talk to you guys later.